Okay. Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Rahim Nahim. I'm here to show you the new Saxdor 270. If you notice, this boat was ordered with a light gray exterior color, beautiful gel coat color, matches well with the black powder coating. We equipped this boat with the new Mercury V8 300 horsepower engine, great torque, great motor all around. Come on board, let me show you inside. If you notice, this boat came equipped with the gray sea deck. The whole interior deck is all sea decked out. Let me show you this door. If you come on board, look how secure this side door is for the kids, just to keep the kids in the boat. Makes it very safe. Let's go to the fun area here. Here we got triple seating. This is an oak crepe or smoked orange interior color. So we have triple forward seating, or vice versa. So you're looking back when you're enjoying. Teak table. See that? Multiple purpose. This turns into a full bed. Let's look at the dash. Simrad 12-inch unit. Real comfy seating here. Great visibility. Take a peek inside the cabin. Look how amazing it is for a 27-footer. Look at the size of that bed with a head. Small little closet. Great design. And then for the sun lovers, go up to the bow and look how nice that forward lounge is. I'll meet you up front. So it's a great design all around. Beautiful boat. Very seaworthy hull. If you want more information, please visit us at MarineMaxMiami.com, or you can call us at 305-758-5786. Thank you. See you in the water.